Hi students, today's session we are going to discuss about the introduction of Tally ERP9. So for more updates related the commerce related subjects information, please subscribe the channel and click the bell icon also. So let's start the session without wasting the time. So be our introduction session. So first one, Tally, world fastest and most powerful concurrent multilingual business accounting and inventory management software. Yes, Tally is one of the most advanced and most popularized accounting software and very fast working software. And also the Tally's main feature is it is available in different languages. Whenever it comes to the Indian languages, the Tally software is available in Hindi, Kannada, Telugu, Tamil, Malayalam, etc. Okay, so we can easily view the our accounting information in different languages also, and it is suitable for business accounting as well as inventory management software also. It is suitable for both. Next, to meet the need of small and medium businesses in full integrated, affordable and highly reliable software, means this Tally software is developed with the view of small and medium term businesses, and it is highly reliable, means its cost is also low and very comfortable to use this software for companies. Easy to buy, quick to install and easy to learn and use. Yes, Tally software, we can easily buy the Tally software either through the online or offline also, and it's take around few to around 10 to 15 minutes to install the Tally, and we can easily learn the Tally also. We can easily learn about the Tally. It doesn't require more time for learning and for use also. Very short time we can easily implement the Tally. That's what's the one of the main important thing about Tally. When comparing to other accounting software, the Tally is most comfortable to use. Next, designed to automate and integrate all business operation, means Tally is suitable for all kind of business operations. It is suitable for accounting businesses, and then it is suitable for also it is suitable for manufacturing companies also. Each and every companies, every business operations, they can use the accounting software, means it is applicable for all business operations. Next, with the Tally ERP9, accurate, up-to-date business information in literally at figure tips anywhere, means we can easily change the data. We can easily update our business information in Tally software. So with easily means it doesn't require more time also, and easy to update the software and along with our businesses informations. So normally it is very easy. Next one, the powerful new feature and blazing the speed power of Tally. It's working very speedily, and whenever you enter the transactions in Tally, it automatically appears in different fields. For example, if you pass the journal entry in Tally, it automatically records in ledger as well as profit and loss account, as well as it appears wherever the amounts or that item has to appear, it automatically by default it will appear whenever you give the commands. Next, all business process easily and cost effectively. So it is, I already informed that the Tally is suitable for all business process. So we can easily use this accounting software and cost effectively. Installation and maintenance of Tally software is less cost when comparing to other accounting softwares.